Hello YouTube, we're using our meter to do some testing. We made a little simple, junky, I know it's junky looking, little board to test LEDs. We have a 100 ohm resistor on there. We have a switch that we can turn to run just the battery or through the resistor. And we have this in series, which means before it gets to the LED, it goes through the meter, so the meter's in a series. That's why I have two wires, so it goes across the lead, so it has to flow through the meter to get to the LED. Kind of complicated even for me. We're still learning this stuff. We used to know this stuff and we've forgotten a lot of it, but okay. We'll put this on the meter, see if this works. Turn it off. The difference in the milliamps. Turn it off. The lower reading should be going to the resistor. I have tested this, so it should be. It's not a whole lot, but if you plug another resistor in, or a diode I mean, excuse me, it will show a different reading. So it just depends on the diodes, but I have so many of them that are 3 to 5 volts that this is a 3 volt lithium coin button cell holder out of a calculator. This switch came out of the Harbor Freight flashlight, the blue ones, where it switches between the front 3 LEDs or the 24 ones, and I have it wired so the voltage comes in either this one or this one, and that's the one going to the diode. This is a little socket, came off a little box, those little lights I was working on, little Halloween lights. So you can just plug the LED into here. Kind of hard to see. So it's kind of crappy, it's hot glue all over it, but this will serve its purpose. I will make a better one someday, but this is just to do some experimenting with. That's been on there that long, let's shut it off. And it shows a little more. I will do not a review, but I will do a video on this meter. I'm really happy with it. I've spent 2 days and probably hours. I have hours into playing with this thing. It has your temperature, humidity, temperature probe, all kinds of nice functions. That's just your range. See, move the decimal point, which you can do on voltage. This will also do millivolts. Small amounts of voltage is why you have your decimal where you can move it. I'll do a video and I'll show it testing a battery, but I want to do a separate video just showing how I'm using it to check for milliamps. What's that? It's just in a series. If I can get it up here. So what it's doing is the juice is coming out from the battery. It has to flow through the meter, come back through, and go to the LED. So you can't put it across the LED, it has to be in series. I goofed up in one of my videos, so that's why I want to make a separate video. I'm still learning how to do this stuff. But thanks for watching, hope I didn't confuse anybody. But just a really nice meter. I will do a video on it.